Well, the blue dot right there outside about 17 miles from Taos is Eagle Nest, where I've been for the last 2 months. And you can see we're in northern New Mexico near the Colorado border, and it's at 8,000 feet. Eagle Nest is the town, and it's on Eagle Nest Lake. And I have loved it here so much that I'm going to be in exactly the same spot next year from June 1st to September 30th. And I'm really excited about that, but this is goodbye. I'm leaving in another day. This is what the village at Eagle Nest looks like. I went down and took a few different angle shots of the charming village, and this is where I'm camped. That's me with my Hover X1 selfie, doing a 360 degree. Those little white buildings behind me, that's where a bathroom is that I use. That's my little trailer and truck there, and look at where I'm camped and where I'll be next year, right on the lake in the literally 360 degree gorgeous views by the grace of Weathers RV Park here in Eagle Nest. This place fills up pretty darn quickly in the summer, and long-term stays are pretty much probably all booked up, but you can always try. There's another RV park in town, Golden Eagle RV Park, and there's a museum and visitor center. Well, thank you for watching, and I'm sad to leave Eagle Nest for the season, but excited to get to Pahrump for a couple of months and then Quartzsite. I always appreciate all of you watching my channel and sticking with me. See you next time.